Children, today we learn socialization. So, unit second, the socialization, we learn the important thing is the meanings, second one functions, third one is a family, peer, religious, school, then mass media, neighborhood. So, those are so many aspects that you are going to study in this chapter. First, we'll see what is socialization. See, we are with human beings, so we are a social animal. We are also called a social animal. So we are living together. So in the early days, the people used to live alone in the forest area, but it's not like that nowadays. Nowadays, people cannot live individually. You have to live in a group. You have to live in a family. So because of it is called it's a social animal. Human being is a social animal. So we are learning so many behaviors of the social beings is called a socialization. So from the child to elderly people, the things what we learn from childhood to elders. What are the things we learn as a behavior? How the behavior is developed from child to elderly. So that is called a sociology. And the socialization. So here there is a more important duties and responsibilities when the child comes to the school. That means after 6 years to till the death, he learns so many things. He changes his behavior. So that is called a socialization. So when the child comes to the first standard at the age of 6, he not be second standard, third standard, fourth standard. When he goes on upper classes, he learns so many things. He changes behavior. He met many people. So because of that, it's called a duties and responsibilities are more in the socialization. Next, what are the functions of the socialization? So functions are, one is socialization convert human beings into social animal. So the person has to learn so many skills. You learn a knowledge when the age advances, when the age increases. You learn so many things. Second one is a social relationship. Second one, social relationship. When you come to the world, so we interact with the other person. Your child also, first standard, when you come to the first standard, you learn many things at home only. So when you come to the class, you make many friends, classmates, you interact it, you fight, you play. So that all is called a social relationship. Next to development of personality. Personality also develops. When the child born, so after maybe 1 year, after 2 years, his behavior is changed day by day. When he come to the class, so his behavior also changes. When you come to the class, you don't know how to sit outright, how to react to the teacher's friends, but he learns. He changes his behavior, his personality. He develops his personality. And another one, traditions also. So we are Kannadigas, we follow our tradition, Karnataka tradition. We are not following a Tamil Nadu tradition. So this is secondary. But people, so we are where we are living, that system, that custom, we develop it. So next to age and experience. Age and experience very important in the socialization, because when the child born from the first year to till the end of, so many behavior changes. So age, and he learns so many things by the experience. Next to family. So in the last lesson also we learned about family. Family means where people live together. Where all the blood relationship people live together is called a family. Big brother, sister, father, mother, grandma, that all. So in the sociology, the importance is given to the family. Family plays a very important role. So a mother is the first teacher. Mother teaches a child at home. Mother is the first teacher of the child. House is the first school of the child. So after the 6 years only he comes to the school. So before coming he learns so many things. Next he learn literature, behavior, custom, practice, that all learns in the family. Family members support the child to learn in literature, even behavior, even customs and traditions, religious, so many things they learn at home only. So, and other important thing is a child learns respect at home. Parents teach the child to respect elderly people. And people, even parents, mother loves, when concern, faith, patience and cooperation. See, cooperation, patience, faith, concern, love. So these are the important qualities child learn at home. Even mother or a grandmother, grandfather, father, elderly people teach the child to learn these important things: love, concern, faith, patience and cooperation. Next, peer. Peer means a group of people. A group of people where they live is called a peer. So peer is important aged people where they live together. Maybe it is children's play in the ground, and other one many friends together they play at home. Next to classmates, they're learning in the group and they're playing the playground. Next to help, mutual help, helping each other. They're not a blood relations. They are different category people, different family people coming together and doing some activity is called a peer group and cooperation. So in this also, they're not relations, but they help each other. They cooperate each other. They play together. Even the class, in the class 60 children are living. 60 children are in the class means they come from 60 family, but they learn together, they respect each other, they help each other because of this. Next, religion. In the family, father or mother, they following a particular religion. That religion child follows. So, when they are following the religion, there away we have so many customs, ritual activities, even feast, festival, marriage, celebration, birthday, so that all they celebrate together according to their religious. So that is called religion. Next school. So school is a all-round development place. When the child comes to the school, he develop all rounds. Maybe learning, writing, speaking, making friendship, love, help each other, cooperation, understanding, knowledge, based improve the skill, that all they learn in the school. So school is a all-round development. Without school, in the earlier they may not go to school because their knowledge is different. But now, so according to the government rule, every child has to learn in the school till the 6 to 14 years. Now 16 years they made. So child learn many things in the school. So just now I said here. Next to other important things, child express their love, cooperation, understanding, mutual help each other, tolerance, cooperation, love, equality. So uniform is a best example for the equality. Whether rich, poor, when you come to the class, you have to follow uniform. Next to mass media. Nowadays, mass media plays a very important role. Even you see radio, TV, even newspaper. So these are mass media. So at a time, lakhs of the people observe, lakhs of people read the newspaper. So these are called mass media. Nowadays, mass media plays a very important role. Without TV, we can't spend time at home. So mother, after cooking, they sit and observe many channels, many programs, maybe serials, or a movie, or a dance program, singing program, competitions, so many other activities they watch in the TV. So TV also played a very important role in the society. So many things also we learn from the television. Next, neighbor. The people, the family live by is called a neighbor. So our family, beside that, one of the families there, that is our neighbor. Neighbor means family is surrounded by other family. The nearby the family who are living, those are called neighbors. So neighbors plays a very important role. If the neighbors are making always problematic. The people cannot live peacefully at home. So because of that, we should have a good neighbors. Neighbors also played a very important role. So here you see that there are large family, it was short family or a big family, whoever it is, we should make a good neighbors. We should celebrate them with a feast, festival, marriage, even a religious and ritual activities. We all neighbors go. They respect each other religious also, ritual activities also.